We finally have the news we have all been waiting for. A Spiderman Miles Morales film has been confirmed, and it will be live action. Amy Pascal, the former head of Sony and a primary producer on Spider-Man movie franchises, was recently asked for an update on the Miles Morales live-action picture, which she previously confirmed was in the works. Arad could not go any farther, stating, "I cannot tell you yet, but it's coming." There is more. Pascal also announced that a fourth Spider-Man MCU film, starring Tom Holland and Zendaya, is in the works, but the production has been delayed due to the ongoing writers' strike. "We're in the process, but the writers' strike, nobody's working during the strike," Pascal stated. Miller noted that Pascal's remark to make 2 more movies refers specifically to Spider-Man, Beyond the Spider-Verse and the live-action Tom Holland film, which is the Spider-Man 4 film produced by Marvel Studios and Sony Pictures. The Miles film is still in the early stages, with no actor announced for the role. That opens the door for Moore to portray the live-action Miles as well, and he tells THR in a new interview that he's genuinely hoping for it to happen, adding that he'd give it his all if given the chance.